Ito na nababaw kabalan, kumusta kayo po? Ako Luis Seasoning Wearing Pampanga ngining adong ini at kami po kening Bacolor and may invite kami po kening V Angeles Villas and Resort. So may nibat ketang main road po keta. Alam mo dito ka rough road like 50 meters mga nyan. Iba't mag-park kayo po keta, lakad kayong buong bagya. Dasan yun po ining V Angeles Villas Resort and Restaurant. So it's a mini resort. So ito pong kanong resort is like 10 years ago may kaya nag-start. And then they expand it with this restaurant. Tapos atin din KTV. O ito takaman man kupin din. Nag-start ya kano ining establishment ay ini with these two small pools. Yan. And then eventually they expanded the establishment. Hindi na pong restaurant keta. Ito, so may kilala ya po keng events, catering, mga yan. So nginingal doon ni subukan talang takman din karelang pamangan kini. And then what they can offer kaya katamo kabalan. Minsan pa magpasalamat kami kay V Angeles for inviting us and magpasalamat kami muna for stay tuning. Who would have thought na from ketang kanto nung kanitang mulinob nandin. So there's a parang oasis or heaven for delectable meals. So lo nyo naman po yung kakatamong table right now. Again, who would have thought na ining resort ay ni has a wala mo Hawaiian style na restaurant kini. The resort here can be rented as low as 10,000 pesos, maximum of around 100 person. So pwede din gamitin ni lugar ito. And then nung bisa kayong pa-cater, so available na po retang minuda kayo ni for catering. Anyway, punta naman bisa kayong walk-in, ining restaurant po is open for this. So takmantala po rin karelang pamangan. Siguro let me just cite it one by one. So lawin tala rin kayo nitang atin na palang balamong rice meals again. Ayan, so you got your liempo, inasal, and then you also have of course your buffalo wings. So as low as 130 pesos. Look at the size and the serving. So this is as is. And then atin tamong tokwat baboy. Wow, nandinletang beni. Ang nyaman bao. And then natin lang kare-kare con lechon. Not the traditional kare-kare. Of course, tingnan medyo deconstructed na rin pamangan. So atin lang pong porterhouse. This is salmon steak. And then this is the baked prawn. So for as low as 249 pesos, bawi na kaking date mo. Atin ang burrito and shawarma for the medyo Mexican lovers. As well as Italian side naman. So garlic pasta, and then this one is spicy shrimp. Yan. Wow, look at that. And of course, for the drinks, milk tea, atin tamong taro, atin tamong matcha, and then winter melon milk tea. Okay, so enough with the chit chat. Let's taste it. So the table is complete, but before we proceed, buri kayo pong sabihan, they are open from Tuesday to Sunday, 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. And then yung address mo, sir, ano yun?
San Vicente, Bacolor.
San Vicente, Bacolor, makantayan pa. Okay, so their address is San Vicente, Bacolor. Kaya pong, actually naman kayong ways, eh? Okay. So you can search it. Ito, mga na kami. Taman tayo ni milk dito. Okay, so while we are enjoying the food, atin pa palang serve doon muna na. So, chef na ano yan? Chef Patrick.
Smoked baby back ribs, chipotle, Mexican style.
Mexican style, okay. So, tell us more about how much is it? Ilang grams po siya, mga ganyan.
It's 249 pesos.
For the whole wrap?
Yes po.
249? That's gonna be my thumbnail. Okay? And then, about the sauce, ano po yung expectation namin dyan?
Hickory yung sauce niya.
Okay.
Smoke flavor
Okay?
Kind of spicy.
Okay? Okay. Imburi kong kasabihan ka rin, 249 pesos yan mo guys. Okay. Wow. Like that, oh. Mataya. Wow. For a price of 249 pesos. Aluan natin porter steak. Pero grabe, this is one of the cheapest dish you're gonna have canning area ngayon. At the same time, it's not just a usual, eh? It's a prime or a premium dish for a price of 249 pesos. Must try. This is a must try. Ito guys, so dakal salamat kayong pamanalbe kayong kaya kaming vlog. Dakal salamat mo naman po kayong V. Angeles for inviting us. Kaya pabalo da po kaya katamo na available ya po yung mga nining establishment Kenny kayong Bacolor. So ito, if you do like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more videos like this, please go to our fan page. It's facebook.com/whereinpampanga. Until our next discovery, tweet mo po nga.